Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I am going to make a smoothie with our CBD honey as the sweetener. So, I'm gonna add some apple juice. No, I don't measure. I've never measured, so that looks about right. Okay, gonna add some blackberries to it and some yogurt. Okay, some strawberries. You guys can kind of add really whatever types of fruits. A lot of times I add spinach. Hiram, orange please. Thank you. A lot of times I add spinach to mine because it gives me some vegetable for my morning smoothie. Spinach is a good thing to add, but I didn't have any on hand today. So I'm just going to squeeze the orange. Chips, I like orange. Okay. Okay, here we go, honey. Now, we just introduced this line of CBD honey, and so it does come from Idaho, but it has CBD in it, so you get the benefits of the yummy, yummy honey along with the CBD in it. So, okay, I've never used Vitamix before. Is that lit on? That looks good. Okay, here we go. That looks good. We'll make that work. Okay, here we go. That's good. You want some? Here, Nate. Hey, I'm giving you some. You get a fresh strawberry in yours, though. It's good. So, go online and buy our CBD honey. It's delicious.